In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a list on Circle. So first, let's get started by logging into your Circle admin account. This step is simple enough but essential, as it grants you access to all the features and tools you need to create and organize content within your Circle. Once you're logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, particularly the left sidebar. This sidebar holds the key to navigating through the different spaces you manage. Next, click on Spaces in the left sidebar. This will present you with a list of all the available spaces you've created or belong to. Select the particular space where you'd like your new list to appear. Each space acts like a mini hub for content, so choosing the right one is important for ensuring your list reaches the intended audience within your community. After selecting the desired space, look for the Create Post button. It's typically easy to locate and marked clearly. Click on it, and you'll see several post types to choose from. For our purpose today, go ahead and click on List Post. This sets up the foundation for your list and prepares the necessary fields you'll need to fill in next. Now let's enter a title for your post. It's important to make this title clear and descriptive, as it's the first thing people will notice. A good title draws attention and gives users a clear understanding of what your list entails. Once the title is in place, the next step is to add the items to your list. Click on Add List Items. This is where the bulk of your work happens, as you'll be cataloging the content or ideas you want to convey. For each list item, click Add Item, and then enter the text, link, or attachment you'd like to include. Remember to press Enter to confirm each addition, and feel free to repeat this for as many items as necessary. At this point, you may wish to organize your list items meaningfully. Reordering your list items can be crucial for flow and impact. To do this, simply click and drag the items up or down according to your preference. This step is optional but recommended for ensuring the list is clear and logically arranged. Before publishing, review the access and visibility settings of your list. Click Access/Visibility to choose who can see your list. You can select options such as Members Only or tailor it to specific plans. Once you're satisfied with these settings, don't forget to save your changes. Finally, it's time to make your list live. Click Publish, and just like that, your list is now live within the space you selected. Congratulations, you've successfully created a list on Circle. So, whether it's for organizing ideas, sharing resources, or engaging your community, lists can be a powerful tool in managing your content effectively.